Hi people, I guess you're doing fine wherever you are, wherever you're watching this video from. Right now, I'm asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, like and comment. Please share the video if you can. And in this video, we are going to look at the relative formula mass. So we'll start by defining what the relative formula mass is. So when we talk about relative formula mass, we're simply talking about the sum over all relative atomic masses. So this is what it means when you talk about relative formula mass. So the first question here, we are asked to find the relative formula mass over H2O, and of course this is water. Okay, so how do you find that one? The first thing must be to copy what you've been given. So of hydrogen there, it's 2 atoms of hydrogen. Oxygen is 1. So you list each element. So I've got H and O, you put them like this so that you understand what you need to do. So here we'll put the number. Here is the mass number. Okay, number of elements, the mass number. Okay, so we start with the 2. H. So on H, what is the number of atoms? We have 2. Okay, and then for oxygen, what is the number of atoms? It's 1. So for the number of atoms, you just get the number that is right here, put it. And then for oxygen here, atoms, we can't see anything here. There is a 1. So we'll say there is a 1. If you're not able to see any number, it means there is a 1. It's 1. For mass number, so we'll say times. For mass number, you go to the periodic table and then find the mass number of hydrogen. It's 1. The mass number of oxygen is 16. So just get your periodic table and go to where oxygen is. The number that is on top is your mass number. And then for hydrogen, the number that is on top is also the mass number. So now you multiply 2 times 1, it's 2. 1 times 16 is 16. So now add these numbers. So it's 2 plus 16. What are we getting? We are getting 18. So we'll say the relative formula mass of water or H2O is what? Is 18. So we now try to answer question B. So for question B, we have aluminium sulfate. So aluminium sulfate. This is what we have. And this is our B. So you do the same. You list. This is aluminium. And we have S there, sulfur. We have oxygen. So we do the same. We start with aluminium. What is the number of atoms? It's 2. We go to sulfur. What's the number of atoms? It's 3. So there is a 1 here in front of S, right here, 1. So you get this 1, since we've brackets here, you get the 1 times the 3. We're getting a 3. We go to oxygen. Oxygen is 12. There is a 4 here. 4 times the number that is outside, which is a 3, is a 12. So these are numbers of atoms that are involved here. And then we say times. What is the mass number of aluminium? You go to your periodic table. I have my periodic table here, and if I check where aluminium is, okay, what number do I have here? It's 27. So mass number for aluminium is 27 times sulfur. What is the mass number there? It's 32. So on your periodic table, the number that is on top is the mass number. For oxygen, what is the mass number? Is 16. So once you get this, multiply what is on top there. What is 27 times 2? That is 54. Then we go to 32 times 3. or 3 times 32 is 96. We go to 12 times 16. We're getting 196. So now get these numbers, add them. 54 plus 96 plus 196. What are we getting? We're getting a 342. So our relative formula mass is 342. This is our answer. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like and comment. You can also join my online tuitions through this number. You contact me on this number, plus 26 0969 17 57 01. So this is a number you can get in touch with me. Bye bye.